What is going on YouTube? Today I got some more parts for the BMW E92, and let's get these boxes open and see what's inside. In the first box we got these. I just got these for aesthetics. It's for the climate control. Just throw these on the knobs. Got this real carbon fiber antenna cover. As you can see, I ordered this from AliExpress. Both of these were from AliExpress, and it looks really good, really well made. So, and hopefully it fits on there. So I'm gonna double check that now. It literally fits so perfect, because I ordered one of these on Amazon and it did not fit, even though it said it would. But look at that fitment, literally perfect. So all we gotta do is peel this tape off, clean this up, and throw it on. And in the last box, we got this suede handle cover. You can see there, really nice red stitching, Alcantara or suede. I don't know what this is. I think it's Alcantara, but let me get it open and show you guys what it is. This is like suede, and it feels really nice, super soft. And honestly, I have no idea how to install this. I hope it's not as hard as it looks, but I'll show you guys where this goes. This is inside of the passenger door, and this goes just, I'm thinking this needs to pop out, this original one. I hope I don't have to take the whole thing off. So I'm gonna start with the easy stuff first, is putting these on here. So let's pull these out, see if they fit, because I ordered these and they didn't fit last time. Oh yeah. Woo! Not bad, not bad. Looks already more. Okay, well these two went on really good. This one seems like it's a little too big, so it kind of just wobbles on there, but I'm guessing you got to peel off that adhesive inside there and it should just stick on. But it doesn't look bad, so if anything I might just keep those two on there, but we'll see. Do come with this adhesive in here, so I'm guessing you just put that on the rim of the inside on this. I'm gonna clean this up with some glass cleaner and then try to install it. All right, so I'm just gonna be using some glass cleaner and microfiber towel and wipe these buttons all down. I just got it taped up like that inside. I just got to peel off that, and I'll try seating it in. Oh, done. And let's try seating this. Oh, it's a snug fit. And oh yeah, buddy. Oh yeah, and it's on there pretty good. So yeah, both of them are on there snug. And now we just got to do that little one. And I think I need like a screwdriver or something to pull that little white adhesive cover off, so we'll try figuring that out. All right, let's try this out one more time. Let's put it on. Oh, that actually fits in there pretty. Let's see. It works, yeah. Not bad. Yeah, if you just put some tape in there and then fits in there pretty good. Here's another look at them. Looks pretty good. With this, we're gonna do the same thing, just wipe it down with some glass cleaner and throw it on top. It's got it wiped down. As you can see, it's pretty clean. Since this is 3M tape, like it says, I think it should be fine. I don't have to add any more. So I'll just peel this back and pop it right on top. Got it all on tape, and let's pop it right on top. And boom, perfect fitment. Just press it down. Wow. That thing looks so much better, and you can see the real carbon fiber shine because it matches this carbon fiber. And yeah, that looks really good. And this thing was only like 20 bucks off AliExpress, so that looks really good, and it feels like it's on there pretty sturdy. So that's pretty cool. Moving on to the last piece, I actually just popped off this trim, and I low-key started pressing it, and it seems like it is disconnecting. So I'm gonna keep doing this and hopefully it pops out and I can just, oh yeah, perfect. Just replace the new one. Guys, I'm super happy that this is the actual way you do it, and boom, it just comes off that easy instead of having to pull this off, because I watched videos on how to pull this off, and this is a whole pain. You got to take apart this entire door, and this just popped off that easily. So I'm gonna just clean up a little bit right here, and I should be able to just snap the new one in. Another look of the OEM one here, and the new Alcantara one. And this I ordered from Colorado N5X, I believe. And this should technically just snap right in place. So let me try this. So far I kind of seated in. I'm trying to get it to snap in place. I'll see if you can get that. All right, so I got it on pretty easily. And as you can tell, it looks really nice. better look at it. Actually, it matches the door. This way it looks nice, super soft, and the stitching is really good. But overall, I think it looks much nicer than the OEM one. So we just gotta reinstall the trim and should be it. And here's the complete look of that. And this is what we got done. This piece, those, and the carbon fiber antenna. And hopefully I should be getting my trim soon. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a fat thumbs up. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.